Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and today we're going to be making apricot jam.
Yeah.
But before we do, don't forget to press that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our videos. Okay, so first of all, let me say, about 3 years ago, I saw a YouTube video about this society in the Middle East that never gets old, and they don't have any cancer because their wealth is in apricots. They eat apricots every day. They eat the apricot seeds. So I planted an apricot tree. Well, let me tell you, this whole bowl and this was just from today.
And there's still some out there.
Oh yes, one tiny little tree. So I don't know, this is crazy.
And I think I remember that when we worked together, I think Anna was eating some apricot seeds.
I did. And they're very bitter, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do with them. But anyway, these are the pits. I wanted to show you, the reason we're going to make the jam is because I'm just enamored with making jams and jellies now. Whatever.
I'm her assistant.
Yes, she's Vanna.
Vanna. Hello.
So the apricot has a little line. You cut along that line all around. And then it's really easy to just separate it.
Oh.
Take out the pit. Ta-da! Inside the pit is the seed. So after I'm done with all this jamming, I will break open the pit for the seeds. Anyway, and then you cut them up into tiny little pieces. I usually cut them into 4s.
Tiny little pieces.
Now, for this recipe, we need 6 cups of cut up apricot. And so this is 2 cups. I fill up 3 of these and I put them in this bowl. Ta-da! Cut up apricot.
Okay.
Okay, now we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
And that's already in here.
Yeah, I already juiced the lemon.
Do I pour it in?
Yeah, no. Take 2 tablespoons from there. Okay, and just spread it all around.
Watch this. Watch this skill and talent.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
She's amazing.
Who could do such a good job of putting lemon juice?
Oh my Lord.
Look at that. That affection.
Thank you, Kathy.
You're welcome. Anna. Anna and Vanna. It's an Anna and Vanna day.
Okay, so now we're ready to start the process. We're going to pour that into the pot.
Ready?
Yes, go for it.
I'll do it this way. You can see the luscious apricot pieces. Look at that.
Thank you.
Ta-dam.
Yeah, I'll take that one away.
There you go. Look at that. Yum.
Now, in this pot, we're going to put the powder or the pectin that comes in one little box. Can you show them? Sure gel.
Does the lemon juice keep it from browning? Is that what the lemon juice does, or is it for taste?
No, it's for taste. It gives it this little tart taste. It's delicious.
Okay, Sure gel. I've seen this in the stores.
Yes.
And am I putting that in?
So that goes with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Can you get a 1/4 cup of sugar from here? And put
so
it in
many
here.
instructions.
I just
so
love it. It's like being back at work.
I didn't listen though. I pretended to listen. Made her feel better. Here we go. Ready?
1/4 cup of sugar. Well, we were going to mix it first, but that's okay.
What do you mean?
With that.
Oh, Anna. Now how much of this?
This is exactly what she did at work. That's one.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing. That's 1 packet of pectin.
Okay.
And we're just going to make sure it's all mixed together.
Yum.
Okay. Now in the meantime, Kathy, could you
Yes.
measure out into this bowl 4 cups of sugar?
I think I can do that. And
Okay.
I need a cup measuring thing. You took it away.
Oh, I took it away. I'm sorry.
She took it away. She expects miracles from me.
Okay, while she does that, I'm just going to put this on the stove, and we have to get it to a rolling boil.
Rolling. What is the
Once
rolling?
it's rolling.
Rolling.
Then
Oh,
we're
she's
going to
looking.
add the 4
Okay.
cups of sugar.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yes.
Get a bigger sugar dispenser because these things don't fit in.
I love that.
I know you love it, Anna, but you know what? It's not about what you love. It's about what's easier for me.
Who cooks in this kitchen? Me.
Apparently, I am too.
4 cups, Kathy.
I know, but see what happens? Okay,
Okay.
look how long it took to do 1.
Thank you, Kathy. We're going to stop for a minute here. Thank you. We'll be right back.
Bye.
Hi, we're back. And right now, all I did was put the apricots, cut up apricots, the pectin, a little bit of sugar, quarter cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon into the pot, and I'm just stirring and stirring. It kind of becomes like a soup, like a thick soup, and once it goes into a rolling boil, then I'll add the 4 cups of sugars that are remaining, and that's it. We'll have to boil it one more time. Thank you. Oh, it's starting to just become this gooey paste. I just love. So we're back. We had the mixture of apricots and sugar and pectin and lemon. Do a rolling boil for about 5 minutes.
Can we show it?
Yes, look, it's kind of soupy, but it still has chunks of apricots. It's so delicious.
Looks yummy.
Yeah. Anyway, these little jars I buy at Walmart. They come 14 in a box.
How much are they?
Like $7.
They're so cute.
I know. And so it's just enough to give us a little present. And then I have a few bigger ones, but I like these.
Me too.
And I put them through the dishwasher so they'd be sterilized. And then I boiled the lids, the mason jar lids. And now we're just going to fill
When you
them.
boil it, does this part go into the boil?
Yeah, I
Wow.
boil everything.
Okay.
I want to make sure there's no germs.
Yeah.
So I'm going to fill the jars to just about a quarter of an inch. And then we put the lid on.
And Assistant Kathy is going to put the lid on.
Assistant Kathy. Vanna Kathy.
Vanna Kathy. Anna and Vanna.
Okay. Oh my God. And
Oh, this looks so good,
that's
you guys.
it. That's it.
Soup.
And you know what?
Apricot
Doesn't
soup.
it smell good too?
Delicious.
I know. I know. Oh, I made a mess here in this one. And you have to make sure that there's no mess on the side. So maybe you can use this towel
And clean it.
and clean it, please.
I wasn't hired to clean. I was hired to assist in cooking.
Okay.
Vanna.
Okay.
Okay. If Anna weren't here, I'd be dipping my finger in, but.
I'm so tempted. You know what? I need to clean this one. Oh my God, this is so
Yummy,
good.
yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy. You know that song?
Yes, I know that
I just aged myself. But there's no more lids.
Yes, there are. They're all here. Oh, well, look, here's one.
Okay.
Make sure you don't touch the inside when you're handling them, because you don't want any germs.
We don't want germs. Whatever. Germs don't bother me.
Yeah, I'm going to give her those.
Okay, but there's no other flat things that go inside.
Yes, they're in there.
Oh, I see them. They're
No, I shouldn't have done that because I had already licked my finger.
okay.
I'll put them
All right.
out separately.
So perfect. So now we have a bunch of jars to fill.
Okay, now once we fill them, we're going to boil them.
What are you going to boil?
We're going to boil the jars.
Really?
Filled, yes, because that way we make sure that there's no germs.
Okay.
You know,
So
this
let's.
is all about
How many
preserved.
How many? Well, let's.
These last about 18 months.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll be right back after we fill all of these.
See you soon. Bye. I just want to show you guys before the jars go in. This is actually a pot meant to put the jars of jam and jelly in. So in a minute, Anna's going to put some of the stuff in for 5 minutes. So hang tight.
I'm putting in the jars. Can you take a picture of that, Kathy?
So how many fit in there about?
I don't know. This is the first time I've done these little jars.
And that pot was what, 20 bucks at Walmart or something?
20 bucks at Walmart.
And it comes with the little holder thing?
Yes, and it comes with this basket, which is great because then I can lower it.
And once it boils, you put the lid on it and then it boils for 5 minutes?
You put
That's
the
it?
lid on it, we boil it for 5 minutes, we take it out, and then you set it on the counter and you wait until you hear pop. And that means that it's cooling and that it's sealed.
Okay.
And voila!
Okay, I want to show you guys again that now she lowered them in. I thought they just sat up. And why is that? They have to have...
1 or 2 inches of hot water on top.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, we're back and we've got our jar. And these are the ones we just did. And we're waiting for them to pop in and be sealed. This is a jar that I did last 2 days ago. And I wanted Kathy to try it.
First time.
Okay, Kath, here you go. Here's
So
some crackers.
excited.
I can't wait to hear what
Ready?
you say.
I want to get a piece of apricot in there for sure. Oh,
It's
look at
nice to
that.
get a chunk. How is it? Good, huh?
It was really good.
Really,
So,
really good.
I don't think you need a cracker, just a spoon.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, the beauty of this is like you can use this to cook chicken, you can use it to cook fish, but yeah,
Oh, the
the jelly.
oh,
the jelly.
like the jar. You can use the jar.
No, the jam.
Oh, you could put on everything.
Yeah, and you can use it for
Ice cream,
breakfast and
yogurt.
yes.
Get like the
Ice
plain
cream
yogurt.
with a little bit of like peppermint liqueur, maybe Goldwasser with the gold flakes on it, and this on top.
But the plain yogurt, the one that's not sweetened.
Yes,
Add
yes,
that
yes,
to
yes,
it.
yes.
And
Wonderful.
some granola. I just want you guys to take note. This is so cool. This is a picture that a piece of art that Anna's dad did, and it just happens to be
Apricots.
apricots. So I thought, what perfect timing! Isn't that beautiful?
Yes. Thank
Anyway.
you. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share and like buttons and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Please do that. And remember our website, www.mmtalks.com. And thank you for joining us. And remember to keep embracing getting older.
Bye.
Bye.